Hi, Seumas Gagne again. In this video I'm going to teach you to sing along on the chorus of a song that I wrote. It's called Òran, Bhaile, Song for Ballard. And Ballard is the neighborhood in Seattle where I lived for many years and had many happy experiences, so I wrote this song about it. For full lyrics and translations of this song, of course, you can go to my website, www.seumasgagne.com, spelled just like it sounds. So first I'm going to teach you the words. Okay, nice small bits, okay? Tolkamich faun. Tolkamich faun. Do Bhaile mo ghuil. Do Bhaile mo ghuil. Let's put that much together so far. Tolkamich faun. Do Bhaile mo ghuil. Tolkamich faun. Do Bhaile mo ghuil. Next line. She Bhaile snock Cúineal Iascich Òran. She Bhaile snock Cúineal Iascich Òran. One more time. She Bhaile snock Cúineal Iascich Òran. Next line. Is ged nach da hókug. Is ged nach da hókug. Is ged nach da hókug. Misha Òran. That whole line again. Is ged nach da hókug. Misha Òran. Next line, last line. Hast toki me faun do Bhaile arst. Hast toki me faun do Bhaile arst. Hast toki me faun do Bhaile arst. Alright, I know it's a lot of words, but you'll get it. And you can watch the video over and over, right? Anyway, so let's learn the tune for the chorus of this song, phrase by phrase. Tolkamich faun do Bhaile mo ghuil. Again. Tolkamich faun do Bhaile mo ghuil. Great, next phrase. She Bhaile snock Cúineal Iascich Òran. That one again. She Bhaile snock Cúineal Iascich Òran. Next phrase. Is ged nach do hókug Misha Òran. One more time. Is ged nach do hókug Misha Òran. And the last phrase. Hast toki me faun do Bhaile arst. One more time. Hast toki me faun do Bhaile arst. Alright, let's put the whole chorus together. Tolkamich faun do Bhaile mo ghuil. She Bhaile snock Cúineal Iascich Òran. Is ged nach do hókug Misha Òran. Hast toki me faun do Bhaile arst. Alright, we're ready to put this together. Let's sing a chorus together. I'll sing a verse and we'll sing a chorus together. Tolkamich faun do Bhaile mo ghuil. She Bhaile snock Cúineal Iascich Òran. Is ged nach do hókug Misha Òran. Hast toki me faun do Bhaile arst. Hókug me hinam hals bonul. Farin drein boren gynjen nere vichtav. Uval dum jol beref se vin. Seattle. Thor mo choddy a dhash gan a Bhaile hain.